My name is Angelo Menotti. I'm head of quality engineering here at Lithos Energy. Lithos Energy is a leader in advanced battery systems for harsh environments. As a head of quality engineering here at Lithos, my main responsibility is to ensure that the requirements of our customers are always met. Pursuing ISO 9001 certification was a strategic decision for Lithos. We wanted to benchmark our systems and baseline ourselves against that standard. We were able to achieve certification in just 6 months, which is unheard of. A lot of that had to do with the capabilities of a system like PICO. Things like traceability, super critical. That is something that PICO MES provides natively. Having the ability to have a digital fingerprint of the units that you're building. When was it tested? Who tested it? So if we have a problem, it'll be super easy to go back and say, let's see when Angelo was working. Aside from traceability, we also have to manage the execution of the process. We need to have records that tells us when things change in the process, so that every time anyone adds a step or removes a step, is very clearly documented and traced.
One of the best parts about PICO from a change control perspective is when we're ready to make a change, we can very quickly have the work instructions be updated across the entire factory at every station. We don't have to waste time hunting down old instructions. Everything is synchronized.
That's how really PICO comes together and help us out meet that key requirement.